Hey there, it's Amanda, Creative Gardener, and this is one of the things that I really am so made up with in terms of growing, and it is being able to pick stuff from the garden and then utilize it in my cooking. So what we have here is we've got some lemongrass here, and the lemongrass is just going really mad. We've got some chives here. I've got broadleaf thyme, and these ones are really big, so I'll be chopping some up and then just leaving some whole so that it can be another accompaniment vegetable. I've got some lemon verbena, or lemon balm, sorry. Got quite a bit of that. I've got some cinnamon basil and some spice basil. There, the smell is just so beautiful. And I've picked some moringa for myself. I use that in drinks, and my rosemary is actually you can see some of it starting to grow. So I think what's happening is it's establishing itself, and it's becoming happier with where it is. So I just picked a couple of pieces. I'm cooking fish, so I'm just going to use a little bit of that, and the broadleaf thyme. And I picked, as I say, I picked the largest leaves so that I can chop some up and then utilize the rest alongside. And I did pick some oregano. Got some oregano here somewhere. The oregano is looking better as well. This is taken from one of the cuttings I did, and I repotted it and I put it in a different place to the other one, and these leaves seem a lot bigger. Smells gorgeous, so I picked a few of those, and that was it. But look, this whole container, I mean, you would pay for this particular blend of herbs, you'd pay at least $10 for, and I've just gone out and pick this from the garden. So it's like, I'm just like so happy. It's just such a cool feeling when I'm out there with my little container. And as I say, look at all of this that, once you use it, I mean, I'm going to use this all in the meal, and I'll use some of the lemongrass in some herbal tea, the lemongrass and the lemon balm. But you've got so many things that you can use the herbs for. The other thing I guess I really want to grow is some marjoram and some coriander. So I've got some seeds, so I'm going to try those, and hopefully they'll take, and I'll have an extended range of herbs in to be able to use in cooking. So, going to leave it there, and I shall see you soon. Remember to check out the 31 plants in my garden, and also pop over to my art channel and check out the my 31 art studio essentials. So, take care for now, and see you soon.